Now, one of the big issues you're going to run into playing any of the GTA series games on the Steam Deck is that the screen doesn't fit correctly out the gate. And one of the reasons this happens is because these games actually come up as unverified in the Steam store. So, to fix this issue, if you're looking for a way to make GTA 5 full screen on the deck, the first thing you want to do is pause the game by tapping the button in the top right-hand corner. Next, you're going to want to scroll over to the settings and then scroll down to graphics. When you do that, you're going to see a display option. Now, what you need to do next is make sure it's set to 1280 by 800. And then when you do that, you want to press X to confirm it. Now, when you do that, it's going to take around another 10 to 14 seconds to apply the changes, but this is going to take care of your screen issue and now make your deck run full screen for Grand Theft Auto. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this quick tip because it is a little frustrating at first. I'd also like to end things doing some GTA 5 gameplay for you guys. And would also like to point out that you guys can get on our TAC newsletter where we send out one email a week on only the good stuff by checking out some links directly below in the description. Don't forget to tap that like and let's run it. Of course, before we get more into this, we wanted to recommend our must-try app, which is Ignition Poker. Now, the cool thing about Ignition is they have both free and real money games. You can play up to 4 tables at a time, and they've got some of the biggest tournaments to play online. Now, this hand right here was pretty sick. We had an ace-10 suited in a $200 cash game, and we flopped the biscuits. Of course, as you're watching this hand play out, if you wanted to learn more about Ignition or get started, we'll have some resource links directly below in the description.
Isn't this great? Excuse me.
please. Ah! Damn it.
Fuck this.
Oh my god!
Classic right here. The hot snakes. You're dead!